Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If dynamic lighting is not working on your system, watch this video for the fix. The first fix is to see whether dynamic lighting is turned on or not. So for that we need to right click on the start button, go to settings, look for personalization, and we will click on dynamic lighting, and we will make sure that this is in the switched on mode. This is also in the switched on mode. Then we can control the background light control, brightness, effects, etc. Close this tab, and then the other thing we need to see is if our device is actually compatible with dynamic lighting. For that we need to open the browser and we need to search for dynamic lighting devices compatibility. Now there are many websites you can find here which will tell you if exactly your laptop and your keyboards are compatible with dynamic lighting. If they are, then let's go to the next step. If not, then you need to bring a or purchase a compatible device. Now the last step is to update Windows, you need to update it to the H2 version, Windows 11 H2 version. For that we will go to settings and we will click on Windows Update, and we will click on check for updates. And once the update is installed, restart the computer and that should fix your issue. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.